Hi, my name's Andy Cranston, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make one of these. It's what I call a U-ruler. A U-ruler is used to measure rack units in a computer rack. These are sometimes called U's. This one is 6U high. Notice the smaller squares which indicate where the holes in the rack fixings are. This helps you align where computer equipment should be installed. So the U-ruler is really handy because you can size up equipment that's already in a rack. You can work out how much free space that you've got in a rack as well. Also lets you measure a piece of equipment before you install it in a rack as well, just to confirm that it is the size that you actually think it is. So it's a handy thing to have. You can download the U-ruler image from this URL, which will take you here, where you can right click and save the image onto your local hard drive. Next, print out the image. I'm using Microsoft Paint, and I've found that if I change the page setup to be portrait and adjust the size to 48%, then when I print that out, the resulting image will be exactly 10.5 inches tall, which is what it needs to be. That's it printed out, and there we have it. I recommend laminating your U-ruler to make it more durable, and I've even seen them stuck on the back of notebooks, so you've always got one with you. Thank you for watching.